Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be covering a video editor called Movavi. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So just before we get stuck into the actual video editor, Movavi is a multimedia software company that offers a wide range of user-friendly and powerful tools for video editing, photo editing, and screen recording. And it also has a built-in multimedia conversion. Now this company particularly was founded in 2004, and Movavi has become a popular choice among users of all skill levels, from beginners as well as experienced professionals, due to its intuitive interfaces and robust features. So what we'll do is we'll dive in, take a look at what Movavi has to offer, and of course take a look through the different areas that they have with video, screen recording, photo, and what else they would have to offer in terms of that. So we'll take a look at the key products that's offered by Movavi. So starting off with the video, they do have the Movavi Video Editor, as mentioned before. Now, a versatile video editing software that allows users to create and edit videos with ease. And that's what's great about Movavi itself. It offers a wide range of features such as cutting, trimming, adding transitions, applying filters and effects, as well as adding music and titles. But of course, we'll take a look at that later on in the video. They also have their video converter. Now, a comprehensive video converter that supports a wide variety of formats, which enables users to convert videos and audio files between different formats and various devices. That's what makes that a brilliant application to use. And of course, they do have their slideshow maker. So this is fairly new to Movavi by the looks of things. So with slideshow creation, this tool lets users turn their photos and videos into stunning slideshows with music, effects, and transitions. And as I've mentioned, we'll go ahead and take a look at that later on in the video. Now, they do have other ones to offer, which is screen recording as well. So this tool would be more to record and capture the screen activity. So what we're doing right now, which is creating a tutorial or an insight review on Movavi. As well as that, you can do a couple of gaming videos, you could do some presentations and more. You're not limited to what you can do with the screen recorder. And as well as that, we also have our photo, which is the photo editor. Now, this in particular helps users enhance, retouch, and manipulate images with a variety of tools and filters. So not only is there Photoshop, but of course there's the likes of this, which is the photo editor, where you can quickly make use of the tools provided by Movavi. And of course they do have Picverse for mobile. And that's another thing to note as well. So as well as being on desktop, it's not just limited to Windows, but you can actually use this on the Apple devices, which is macOS. And on top of that, it's available for Android and iOS. So if you're wanting to use mobile, you can use the Picverse. And of course, if you're wanting to do some videos, then you can use the clips. And again, for Android and iOS. So now that we've got a bit more of an insight to what Movavi has to offer, let's dive into the actual editor itself and take a look at it further more. So the downloading process is fairly easy. Now, of course, if you do want to go ahead and purchase it now, you can do so. But if you want to try it for free, you can go right ahead. Now, there is also the Mac version, and we also have the Windows version. So what we're using right now is the Windows version. So I'll go ahead and try that for free. Should get a confirmation on the bottom right, of course, to set it up. Go ahead and click on that. You'll get a user control pop-up just to double check whether you want to download it. Go ahead and download it. Now, you should get this as the pop-up. You will get a tutorial on how to use the Movavi Video Suite. Of course, on our top left here, it lets us know that we can find new effects packs and programs, so we can discover online courses and of course share or work with other users. So programs, effects, stock content, and online courses. That's great as well, especially if you're a beginner and you're only starting off. You may not have any knowledge at all with editing. Now, of course, you know what they say, it's better to get right into it to learn. But they do also offer online courses, which is great, especially if you are struggling to do certain parts, then you have that help that you need. Anyway, it guides you through what you need to do. So right away here, it's saying open your programs or start free trials right from this dashboard so we can create a new project. So this is instantly loading up our video suite 2023. So we'll just wait for that to load up. So this is what it looks like. Now, we do have some guided tutorials on our wee little guideline in order to actually get us through. So this is where we're able to import our files. So pretty much just open up our file explorer and go ahead and drag all the images or video content that we have. So we'll click next, and this is where we're also able to drag and drop all of our videos. So to start making videos, drag your files from the media bin to the timeline. So we'll click next. And of course, if we want to have more tools, to open the list of video and audio tools. So that's great as well. So on top of that, we can select the clip and do a quick edit. So that's where we can start snipping parts, where we can start reducing things, or even lower the volume. So there's multiple things that this video suite can actually do. And we can also export the video so that when we're finally done with the video, we can export it, do our final checks, and then pretty much click and export. So this is what the video editing tool looks like. On our top here, we've got our file import, project files, sample videos, backgrounds, and intro videos. So I've just moved up the actual screen there so you guys have a clear view on it. So as I said, we've got our file import, project files, sample videos, backgrounds, intro videos, and we also have our area for our file. So this is where we can create a new project, we can append a project, and save a project. And of course, this is our editing tool, so any mistakes that we've done, we can undo or redo. Or if you guys know about the shortcut keys, you can do Control Z or Control Y. Copy and paste, same thing. You've got your shortcuts there. If you guys know it, it'll come in very, very handy. You've also got the playback tool, so you can play and pause, have a view of how your video editing is going so far. And of course, we've got our settings, so we can change our languages. We can export the video once we're done. So we're able to record a video, we can capture a screencast, or we can record audio and do the slideshow wizard. Now I'll do an example here. So I'll open up my file explorer, and let's just say I want to use a particular video clip. I can just drag it in there. So that's now copied it, and you can see the name of the actual video. All we need to do then is drag that onto the actual editor. Now it actually gives us the option here to do a smart background removal. So it looks like this is one of the few editors that would offer that. That's great, especially if you want to cover your back. Now I can change it if I want to, and I don't need to as well. This is the aspect ratio, so whether I'm doing it for mobile, desktop, there's a couple of changes I can do, so I can change that if I want to. And so that's more or less how that looks. Now what's great about this is you don't actually have to scroll in and scroll out in order to view the video clips a little bit better. You've got our area here to do that, minimize and maximize. I can actually drag this all the way to the very, very start, as you can see, and then if I hit space, then I can play that video. And as well as that, I can cut the video if I want to. So we've also got a smart noise removal, so that's great. It pretty much gets rid of any noises that may be interfering with the audio. So I'll just hit got it. And if I did make a mistake, I can go ahead and click back and I'll have the video all good there. And as well as this, I've got like an equalizer, so I can lower the volume if I want to. I can increase the volume, so if I have it that, obviously I'll not be able to hear anything. And of course I can choose to maximize the volume. So say that you were a little bit low on volume when you were talking, or if you were recording a video and it didn't pick up the sound right, then that gives you that option to go ahead and increase your volume. Now, as well as this, we've got our tools on the left side, top left. We can add audio, we can add some titles. So these will more or less be the intros. You can see we've got the bubble notes, we've got more titles there, so we can actually visit the store. You can see that we are limited to it, but if you guys pay for the pack, then you'll be able to unlock most of these features. And if you do have an activation key, which we actually do, all you would have to do is go back to the Movavi Video Suite and then click on Activate. It enables you to add your activation key on here, and then all you need to do is go ahead and activate. Now again, if you're loving the video editor, you have that option to go ahead and buy. Anyway, looking into the Video Suite, we've got other effects as well, like abstract, business, cinematic, education and work, family and kids, gaming technology. You also have these parts called elements, so we can add some stickers on by the looks of things. So I can add that onto any video. So if I click download, that'll download that file. That's now activated. I can click it here. And obviously I'm able to drag this around. You can see on the right side there. So that'll only occur for a certain amount of period. So if I bring it back, you can see it'll appear now. And then it'll now disappear. I have the option to bin that if I want to. So that was the elements. You can see there's the elements. Now I can add animation speed. I can add the motions as well. So you can see it'll be quick, so that's suitable for static. If I do the precise, I can track it. And we also have, we can't apply those methods into this. And then on top of that, looks like we can do some transitions. So these will be in between clips. So I'll go ahead and add another clip in just to demonstrate. So we'll go back to the plus sign, we'll bring this in here. And then if we go onto our transitions, we've got a couple of ones there. There's fade to black, fade to white, horizontal split, segment shuffle, slice 1, slice 2, slice 3, so quite a couple of options to pick from. And of course, they've got a like and subscribe, so that'll be great for if you have a YouTube channel, you can add them in. There's blur, you've got blocks, circle, geometric, artistic, parallax. So we'll try one out. We'll do the fade. So we'll go from gradient. So we'll add it in between the clip. You can see that it's been added there. If we go closer to it, that is now going to enable us to fade it in. There's that transition, as you can see. Now, if I play it, let's see if I can zoom out a little bit just to get a clear view. So I'll drag this here and then I'll play it. So it's faded through. Let's see if we can try a different one just to make it a little bit clearer. So you can see that went white and then went back to the normal gradient. Let's see if we could try another one. Let's try this one. And you can see how that's went ahead and done a transition. But as well as transitions, they also have effects. So I can have a camera shake. I can add a camera shake onto this particular video. So if I scroll back, you'll see the difference between clip 1 and clip 2. See that this one's shaking. I can add some oil painting there. They've also got vignette. You've got motion blur, so you can add that motion blur in. So you can see there's two effects here. We've got camera shake and motion blur. I can X one off if I need to. So if it's a little bit too much, I can do that. With the effects, you can add as many effects as you can with each one. So see if we can try to add as much as we can. But it will, of course, you need to apply the best amount of filters. So we'll just X all these. But that is pretty much how to add effects. It's fairly simple for what it is. Now you can add more tools if you want to. So you've got crop and rotate, you've got position, pan and zoom, stabilization, animation, highlight and conceal. So if you want to just target this exact person here, we can do so. Chroma key, background removal, which we've seen earlier on, and they also have scene detection. But quite a few things that the video suite has to offer. Of course, they also have some audio there as well. So that is pretty much it for the video suite. We'll go ahead and take a look at the other options that Movavi has to offer. So the other parts that Movavi has to offer is the audio. So from here you can convert audio and you can record sound, you can burn audio to CD if you wanted to, you can play music, so quite a couple of options there. So we'll go ahead and look at one. So we'll look at the convert audio. So this should open up a new section of Movavi for us. So this is the audio converter, so video to audio, and it's fairly straightforward. All you need to do is open up your actual file explorer, pick the video that you want. So say that you did use a video as a recording and you didn't have any other recording files or recording editors to use. This would be a great way to convert them. So we'll use our first example here, just drag it in, and then all you need to do is convert it to MP4, MP3, AVI, MOV. You can even put it through iPhone X or Android. So there's a couple of options there. Now in terms of audio, you would want to maybe just pick MP3. There's WAV as well, WMA, FLAC, AAC, very uncommon and unpopular. You would just go ahead and select the MP3. You can have it at its original bitrate or select from the other few there. We'll just do it from the original bitrate, and then all you need to do is click convert. Now you can see that we do need an activation key, so I'll be right back until I get that. So I'll just get the activation key here. I'll go ahead and open this up. So I'll be right back. So I've went ahead and activated that, and you can see here straight away that we've actually got our new audio file, so new audio.mp3. Well, I've just named it new audio, but that's pretty much how to do that, and that'll work for the rest. So you could have it for Apple Audio, WAV, WMA, FLAC, AAC, AC3, MKA, so just depends what way you want to convert it. So our last one there is the photo. Now you can convert images, create slideshows, use the Movavi Photo Editor, so you can try that out. That's paid for. So we'll try and have a look at the Movavi Photo Editor, and we'll see what it's like. So this is the Movavi Photo Editor. So we'll wait till this opens up. So from here, I'm basically able to apply and add any photos that I want. So I'll go ahead and add one in now. So we'll just use our ProfileTree logo. You can see that I'm able to adjust, I'm able to erase objects, do a background change if I wanted to as well. And there's just a list of options there, like old photo restoration, retouching, effects. I can add text if I want as well, so I could just change up the color of the initial ProfileTree logo design. And then I can add some captions as well. So if I wanted to add something like that, I can apply it, I can fill it, I can add background to it, like that. have an outline, add frames. So pretty much you're not limited to what you can do with Movavi, especially with the photo editor itself. So I would suggest to try it out and see what you can try to create. But there you have it, guys. That is Movavi's software, and it's designed to be a user-friendly and accessible editor for everyone, which makes it a very excellent choice for both casual users and professionals looking for an easy to use yet powerful multimedia editing tool. So whether you're a content creator, educator, business professional, or someone that's just looking to enhance and share your multimedia content, Movavi offers a range of products to suit your needs. But there you guys have it. Try all it out, see what you guys think about it, and let us know in the comment section below what you guys think about this multimedia editing tool. But guys, hopefully you did enjoy the video. If you did, let us know in the comment section below as well. And on that note, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.